Hey there, and welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something that I think every beauty lover should have in their makeup bag, especially if you're always on the go. Today, we're diving into the Kiko Milano Smart Fusion Creamy Lip Crayon in the shade 04 Intense Hazelnut. This lip crayon promises a blend of buildable coverage, glossy finish, and nourishing ingredients, all packed into an easy-to-use crayon form. But does it really deliver? Let's find out together. First things first, the Kiko Milano Smart Fusion Creamy Lip Crayon is a lip pencil with the versatility of a gloss. Its creamy texture glides smoothly over the lips, offering a glossy, vibrant finish. The formula is infused with nourishing ingredients, which is great because it doesn't just give you color. It's also supposed to keep your lips feeling soft and hydrated. What really caught my attention is the buildable coverage, so whether you want a subtle hint of color or something more intense, you can control the look. Now let's talk about the real-life usage. I've been wearing this crayon for a few days now, and I've tested it in a variety of scenarios. From morning errands to evening dinners, I wanted to see how it holds up. The color payoff is impressive, especially for something that claims to be buildable. You can start with a light layer for a soft nude look, or go full-on intense with multiple swipes. I love how easy it is to apply on the go. It's a twist-up pencil, so there's no sharpening needed. Just a quick swipe and you're good to go. Plus, it's small enough to toss into any bag for reapplication. The glossy finish is definitely one of its strong suits. It's not overly shiny, but it has just the right amount of sheen to make your lips look plump and hydrated without feeling sticky. I also noticed that the color lasts longer than I expected for a gloss, about 4 to 5 hours with minimal fading. If you're eating or drinking, you'll need to touch up, but that's pretty standard for any lip gloss. I also loved the way it kept my lips feeling soft, thanks to its nourishing formula. As for the texture, I was pleasantly surprised. The crayon feels smooth and creamy as you apply it, and it doesn't tug at your lips like some lip crayons tend to do. It's lightweight, so you don't feel like you're wearing anything too heavy. That's a win in my book. Of course, no product is perfect. One thing I'd say is that while the glossy finish is beautiful, it does require a bit of maintenance. Like I mentioned, it fades a little after meals, so you may need to reapply more frequently compared to a matte lipstick. Also, while I love the convenience of the crayon form, some may prefer a more precise application, especially if you're going for a defined lip. If you have super sharp lip lines, it can be a bit tricky to get that perfect contour without a lip liner. In terms of value for money, the Kiko Milano Smart Fusion Lip Crayon is a solid choice. It's affordable for the quality it delivers. The formula is nourishing, the color payoff is excellent, and it lasts a decent amount of time for a gloss. When you consider the convenience factor, being able to use it as both a lip crayon and gloss, it's a good investment for your makeup routine. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are plenty of lip crayons out there, but none quite like this one. Some are pricier with a similar glossy finish, but I'd argue that Kiko Milano offers just as much performance for a fraction of the price. If you're on the hunt for something a little more long-lasting though, you could consider going for a liquid lipstick with a matte finish. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with this product. The Kiko Milano Smart Fusion Creamy Lip Crayon delivers on its promises: buildable coverage, a glossy finish, and nourishment for your lips. It's a great option for anyone who wants an easy, on-the-go lip product that's comfortable and versatile. If you're someone who likes to keep things simple, but still wants a polished look, I'd recommend giving this one a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this video too. Your support helps us continue to bring you honest, in-depth reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used the Kiko Milano Smart Fusion Lip Crayon or have any thoughts on it, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. And remember, the link to purchase the product can be found in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.